Hi there, everyone. Greetings and welcome to EEA 532, Instructional Leadership in Curriculum, Instruction, and Assessment. And what a time to be focusing on this topic. While we adjust to living in an online world, education has taken up the challenge of continuing learning in a new way. And with us, we too will adjust to this new way of learning as part of our City U experience. So this video is just a welcome introduction. And I also wanted to just walk you through a little bit about our course website. So I'm just going to minimize myself here. So shortly, I will also be sending you a link to our course website. So everything that you need to successfully complete this course can be found here. All of our curriculum topics, all of your assignments, all of the resources that you need will be found here. So just to walk you through a little bit, our curriculum topics, if you click on there, you'll see we have 3 altogether, and I've opened up the first week's topic, which is on curriculum, which is what we'll be doing this week. Coursework, if you click on there, you'll see that all your assignments are there, as well as the course outline. Your due dates are there as well. The calendar is up to date, and the nice thing using Google Apps is that I can also use Zoom as part of my Google Calendar. So you can see here's our Zoom meeting scheduled for this Friday, and all you'll do basically is copy that and enter it into a new window. And you'll see Zoom will be launched just from there. Okay, so that's kind of cool. And the last thing I wanted to show you was the resource page. Resources are right here. I think maybe I'll go over here. Resources will take you to all the resources you'll need for this course. Some required ones, some additional ones that might help with your research. So everything you need to have success is right there. So I haven't got it up here yet, but I don't think I do. I don't see it here. Oh yeah, questions. So if you have any questions about anything regarding the course, please don't hesitate to add them to this document. I will be addressing them on Friday as we start our learning journey together. And just to give you a sense, I've designed the course to be a blend of synchronous or face-to-face and asynchronous, where you'll be self-directed and kind of on your own. For those who have been taught by me before, you'll know that I'm a fairly interactive instructor. So online learning presents me with a few challenges. I'm not able to do some of the things that I've always wanted to do, but we will try to incorporate them in as much as possible. And I'm just checking my list of things, but I think that is about all. I admire you for continuing to do this work in this new reality. That's got to be pretty challenging. My work is to help you as learners, to support you in every way that we can, and to make it work for you. So don't hesitate to reach out to my email at Red Deer College. Any questions, comments, concerns that you have, and we will do this together. So I look forward to seeing you on Friday in our Zoom class. If you're struggling with Zoom, download it on your laptop. If it's not working, you might want to also try downloading it on a tablet or a phone, just so that you have it there. But I look forward to seeing you on Friday as we start our course together. Thank you. Take care.